Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudhillalah wa man yudlil fala hadiyalah. Asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah. Wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Fa a'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel Qsharebd. Qsharebd is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson 15, Arabic 10 verb forms, part 4. Part 4 we will cover Form 6, Form 7 and Form 8. Let us start with Form 6 first. Form 6 verb is ta'fa'ala. Ta'fa'ala comes from fa'ala. Fa'ala is the Form 3 verb, this fa'ala. If we put ta as a prefix, then we will get ta'fa'ala. This is Form 6 verb. Like for example, salima means to be safe. This is Form 1 verb. And salama means to greet or to welcome. This is Form 2 verb. And salama means to keep peace, like the police should keep peace. This is Form 3 verb, salama. And salama means to receive or to recognize. This is Form 6. This is Form 5. And finally, the salama means to make peace together. This is our Form 6 verb, the today's Form 6. The same root letter sin, lam and mim, these are all the different form of verb and it meaning different things. The 6 comes from 3 and 3 meaning is to keep peace and 6 meaning is to make peace. This is the difference between 3 and 6. Now we will do the conjugation as usual for these 6 things for past tense, present tense, command, verbal noun, active and passive participle. As usual, this is our formula, and if we put this sin, lam and mim, then we will get ta sa lama for past tense, and present tense will be ya ta salamu, command will be ta salam, verbal noun will be ta salum, active participle will be mutasalim, and passive participle will be mutasalam. Mutasalim, mutasalam. This is the very similar between active and passive participle. Now we will discuss Form 7. Form 7 is infa'ala. Infa'ala is also comes from the Form 1, fa'ala. Just we have to put in as a prefix. Then we will get Form 7 verb. Like from example, kataba means he wrote. And aktaba means he dictated. Form 4 verb. And in kataba, this is our Form 7 verb. In fa'ala and in kataba. In kataba means to subscribe a YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel as well. So this is the Form 7 verb. Now we will do the conjugation as usual for these 6 things for past tense, present tense, command, verbal, active and passive participle. As usual, this is our pattern, this is our formula for conjugating these 6 things. Now if we put this kataba, then it will be in kataba, past tense, and present will be yan katibu, command will be in katib, here will be in katib, not in katil, it will be in katib, and verbal will be in kitab. There is a long vowel in between ba and ta, so it will be in kitab. And active participle will be munkatib and passive will be munkatab. Munkatib, munkatab. This is our Form 6 and Form 7 verb. Now let's go to Form ta'ala. If ta'ala is come from Form 1 as well, thus we have to put alif with kasra as a prefix and a ta in between fa kalima and ain kalima. And the fa kalima will get sukun. Then we will have if ta'ala. The iftala, for example, salima again, the means to be safe. It is form 1 verb. And sallama is form 2 verb, means to greet or to welcome. And ta sallama means to recognize. This is form 5 verb. And ta salama means to make peace together. This is form 6 verb. And ista lama means to receive or to accept. This is our form 8 pattern. Ista lama, ifta ala, and ista lama. This is form 8 pattern. Like for katala again, we can say iktatala means to fight with one another, or battle. It is battle. And for kataba, we can write iktataba. Iktataba means to subscribe. That subscribe and this subscribe is different. This is to register someone name, to subscribe, to write one names. Now, as usual, the 6 things that we have to drive for this pattern: if, ta'ala, for past, present, command, verbal, active, and passive participle. And as usual, this is our formula. And we will put the ka, ta, and la. Then we will get ik, ta, ta, la for past tense. And present will be yak, ta, til, yak, ta, tilu. Command verb will be yak, ta, til. Verbal noun will be ik, ti, tal. Active participle will be muktatil, and passive will be muktatal. Muktatil and muktatal. And the meaning is past meaning is he fought with other, and present meaning is he fights with other. Command verb means fight. Verbal noun meaning is fighting. Active participle is fighter or fighting again, and passive participle will be fought. These are the form 8 verb pattern and conjugation. So this is the end of our lesson 15. Thank you for watching.